Hello, learners. Welcome to VR Mathematicians. I am Albert Einstein.
Hi, I'm Jackie.
Let's head into the math practice standards. Remember, these are the concepts that help us build a math mindset and make connections when problem solving.
You got it, Jackie. Today we are learning about math practice number 4. Math practice number 4 states, model with mathematics.
Model with mathematics? But we use numbers in math, not pictures.
Well, yes, we do use numbers, but we can also use pictures, tables, manipulatives, and many other tools to make sense of problems.
Yeah, I guess my teacher does use those things in math class.
That's great. When we model math in different ways, we are able to know why something works rather than just knowing how to do something step by step. Modeling in math really involves thinking about the problem we're trying to solve and then coming up with a plan to solve it.
That's interesting. I guess I just try to memorize the step-by-step procedures so I can get the right answer.
Okay, but math isn't really about following a set of steps to get the right answer. It's about having questions and using what we know about math to problem solve. This really helps us build a math mind because we are able to make many connections and see different patterns. When I get to a problem, I think of how I can make sense of it in my brain. I often use my whiteboard to draw out what I'm thinking about the problem so I can see it and begin to make sense of it.
Interesting. So you don't just calculate the numbers in your head and magically come up with the correct answer?
Oh, absolutely not. I usually start by thinking of what would make the most sense to me in order to solve. This isn't always something I learned in a lesson or necessarily the same thing that my friend does, but I think of what is reasonable to model the problem.
Okay, Mr. Einstein. I'm starting to see how models can help us really see the problem and work with it in different ways. But what if it's a really easy problem and we already got the hang of it?
Great question, Jackie. It's just as important to model the easier problems because then we are able to build the muscle of modeling when we keep doing it. Then, when we get to more difficult situations, we will have that muscle built up to help us problem solve in different ways.
I guess that makes sense. I didn't really know that sometimes we still model things in order to know why something works or to build our math mind in different ways.
That's great. Keep building your math mind by modeling problems in many different ways.